It happened 100 years before. High Court asked, where were you? Why are you coming now? Because now the LDF government and in between the UDF government wanted to, they want to snatch the property of these Munambam people. They are Christians and Hindus and fishermen. That is why it happened. And they are opposing them. They want to evict them. That is why. And I want to say one thing. See, here the Muslim League leaders telling that our leader, our president, want to solve it. Sir, in 2018 and 19, some issues were there. 80% and 20% issues. And then this Muslim League leader told that I will solve. One day he came out with the Hagia Sophia church in Turkey. He insulted the Christians in Kerala. No problem was there in between Christians and Muslims in Kerala. But he has written a statement and this one in a paper, their paper. He was telling that in Turkey, one Hagia Sophia church was there that was converted into mosque by Muslims. I am proud of that. There started the issue. That is why I conclude, sir. I support the Munambam people. You were telling in Malayalam. You are insulting. You are insulting Christians.
Please conclude.
You were insulting Christians.
George Kurian, please conclude.
Sir, I conclude.
Please conclude. Thank you. Ramji Lal Sumanji, 3 minutes. Ramji Lal Sumanji, 3 minutes. Ramji Lal Sumanji. Please take your. Ramji Lal Sumanji. Ramji Lal Sumanji, आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड पे जा रही है. आपकी बात ही रिकॉर्ड पे जा रही है, आप बोलो. रामजी लाल सुमन जी, प्लीज.
उप सभापति जी.